This is the instructional video for black belt training form, Hurricane. I'm going to be performing the entire form. If in your class you've only been instructed to practice the first half, then that's the only part you'll need to pay attention to. Chamber, cross, circle, single block. Step with your right, chop, punch. Up, across, overhead. Cross your feet, catch behind your right shoulder. Step, punch. Drop to your left knee, hip, shoulder. In that left hand, circle your head, hip, hip, shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, figure eights. Catch behind your left shoulder, right hand up, downward, flare, upward figure eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, catch. Circle the head, hip, hip, shoulder, catch, flick, up, catch. Behind your right shoulder, unwind, slap together, feet together, chop. Inside, outside, low side kick, high side kick, chop, punch. Right foot to the front, circle over the head, left foot to the front, ending on your left hip. Left hand assist, right leg hatchet, left leg step up, pop up front kick, ending in a horse stance, downward block. Step right, chuck across. Whip, up and punch, left side hip, shoulder, right side leg, shoulder, uppercut, around the head, switch, down and up and catch. Right foot to the back, unwind, left foot to the back, rewind, drop to your left knee, upward open hand block, and across with the chucks. Right hand, downward diagonal, knee spin, double diagonal chop. Right foot up, around the neck, ready stance. And that's Hurricane.